How to set Wi-Fi MAC address type to randomize or phone MAC on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on this settings icon. After click on settings icon, click on view more. After click on view more, you will see MAC address type is here. If you want to set MAC address type phone MAC, click on phone MAC. You will see MAC address type is set on phone MAC. If you want to set MAC address type to randomize MAC, click on randomize MAC. You will see MAC address type is set on randomize MAC. So you will select phone MAC and randomize MAC from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set Wi-Fi MAC addresses type to randomize or phone MAC on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.